What, ma'am?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Take out your maths notebook, students, and start doing these four sums. Find 3/4 of 16. Find 1/3 of 99. Right now, it is a number. Suppose if I say find the 3/4 of 16 kilometer. So whatever is your answer, you say this much kilometer. So your unit should be according to that question. And that, like you have learned that on that day we have discussed how to find the half of 16 kg. Half of 16 kg. So you will say 8 kg answer. The unit will be according to the question में जो unit है वो unit use होगी. Suppose if I say what is the half of, how many spoons are come in the half of 16 spoons or 24 spoons? So you will say 12 spoons. So whatever we are asking should be according to the unit which is used here in the question. You will use in the answer also that unit. But right now, I am not giving you any unit if I am asking what is the 3/4 of the number 16. 16 कोई objects है आपके पास?
12.
Yes. What is the 3/4 of 16?
12.
12. How you did? 16 multiplied by 3 is 40.
8.
48 divided by 4 is
12.
Mohammed, you have joined now. Please start writing what the sums are given here on the screen. Moksh, turn on your camera. Dheer, Astha, Pragyan, Mohammed, turn on your camera, please.
My camera is not working.
Most of the time this is happening. Please take care, Dheer.
1/3 of 99 is.
You will not tell Jignesh. Jignesh, you will not tell all the answers. Shivani, you give.
Ma'am, which one are you doing?
Something is there on the board, na? First is Jignesh has given 3/4 of 16 is 12. What is the 1/3 of 99? Okay, Mohammed. But please,
Ma'am,
Mohammed,
can
if
I?
your camera is working, please turn on the camera. Dhwani, late in the class.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, because my power was gone. Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, Arush.
ma'am, I can.
Yes, Arush, please speak.
Ma'am, what we are
Arush,
doing?
speak.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are doing these sums which are written on the board.
Ma'am, I can tell the answer of
And
second
this is
one.
already discussed in the last class.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the answer.
1/3 of 99. Remove the off sign, put the multiplication sign. Denominator is nothing, put the 1.
It is third.
Don't give the answer, Pritika. Let me explain because there are few students who cannot do still. Laksha, Aravapani, please write it in your notebooks.
B and C are very easy.
So nothing in the denominator, we write 1. Multiply the numerator with the numerator. Shivani, first understand, then write. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, which is 99. Multiply the denominator with the denominator, which is 3. And now divide 99 by 3. You will get the answer, which is 33. जब आप 99 को 3 से डिवाइड करो, so it will be like this. Here 4 minutes late in my class. Turn on your camera and sit in the class, please. Jignesh, turn on your camera, please. And start writing in your notebook. Solve these sum. Find 3/4 of 16. Find 1/3 of 99. Find half of 68.
Ma'am, can I leave and join
Yes,
again?
yes,
And my
yes.
camera will start.
Vedi, give me the next third answer. What is the half of 68?
Ma'am, I can give the answer. 32.
32. Just check.
can tell the answer.
Ma'am, I can tell.
No, what about the others? Vedi, what about why?
I can
Yes,
tell.
Arabapani, give me. Yes.
34.
I'm just doing
Yeah.
34.
Okay, very good. Arabapani, it has been noted that in class you are giving me the right answers many times. Is there any person sitting to you giving the answer or you giving me the answers?
Ma'am, I.
But I have noticed that in class you are very much actively giving the answers, but when it comes to the assessment or the CTs, you are not giving me that much result. Why this is happening, बच्चा? ऐसा क्यों होता है? आपको क्वेश्चन देख के वहां कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है? Tell me. In class, you are actively giving me the answers. From the last few classes, I have noted you giving me most of the answers. पर जब एग्जाम होता है, कोई सीटी होता है, असेसमेंट होता है, उसमें आपके नंबर्स बिल्कुल लो चले जाते हैं, है ना? Pay attention. If any doubt, ask in the CT also. I will clear your doubts.
Okay.
So the answer is 34 here. What is the 2/5 of 25? Asta. 2/5 of 25.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Yes, please do. What is the 2/5 of 25, students?
Ma'am, 25 only.
2/5 of 25, 25 ही होगा.
No, ma'am, 15, sorry.
15. Ma'am,
Just
10.
check. Who gave me the answer?
Ma'am, Astha.
Very good. Right. 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. And 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. When 50 divided by 5, the answer is 10. So it can be related with any unit. Suppose I say that what is the 3/4 of 16 kilometer? So you will say the 3/4 of 16 kilometer is 12 kilometer. So unit जो question में होगी वही unit आप निकालेंगे. Right now we are finding, suppose if I say what is the 3/4 of 16 apples? So you will say 12 apples. What is the 3/4 of 16 spoons? So you will say 12 spoons. So जो unit word use हुई है question में, you have to use that unit only. Suppose if I say what is the 1/3 of 99 meters? So you will say 33 meters are the 1/3 of 99 meters. Got it, everyone? Yes,
The
Vedi.
first answer is
Correct.
first answer is
Vedi, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't understand the C1.
See, my dear, you understood the method. Method will be same in all the questions.
It's coming 22.
See, 68 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6. 8 will come down. 2 4s are 8. So it is 34. Your division is
Ma'am,
wrong.
but you have written 1/3. How can you divide by 2?
I have written 1/2 of 68.
Okay,
Here
sorry,
is
Miss.
3/4. Here is 1/3. Here is 1/2. Here is 2/5. Clear, Vedi, now? This one part is of the next above question.
Ma'am, I have doubt in the last 20.
बेटा मेथड क्लियर है तो डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. मेथड क्लियर नहीं है तो डाउट्स होंगे. आपका मींस मेथड ही क्लियर नहीं, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ डाउट.
Ma'am, the same way we have to do.
Yes.
We did the first and second.
जैसा आपने फर्स्ट किया वैसा ही सेकंड, वैसा ही थर्ड एंड वैसा ही फोर्थ. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, multiply the denominator with the denominator and divide them. Are you writing, Mohammed? I want you to write, बच्चा. When you will not write, you will not understand. आप खुद के हाथ से कुछ नहीं करोगे तो नहीं समझ पाओगे. Can I erase the side part because it will be then messed for you?
Ma'am,
It is not looking neat.
the question number C's answer will be 34.
Yes.
Ma'am, now I understood the method.
Do these four sums, then we go to the textbook exercises.
Ma'am, this I have to do like this, no?
Yes, Dhwani, let me pin you. Yes.
Like this only.
Do fast, students. I'm going to explain you the textbook exercises. Take out page number 101. Yesterday we have done till the greedy kundu. Not yesterday, on Saturday. We have done the greedy kundu. This story.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now we are going to do the practice time, which is given on the page number 101. Be little fast, students. These are only the four sums. I have not written the answers. Please write, solve it with the answers.
Ma'am, which page number?
101.
Ma'am, may I drink water? I have completed this sums.
Please drink. I'm going to present my screen. I'm going to discuss the page number 101 with you all.
Ma'am, the D's answer will be 1, no?
How? 2/5 और 25 1 कैसे होगा बच्चा? What happen is आप practice करते करते method ही भूल जाते हैं.
First time multiplied 2/5 with
2 with the 25.
yes. 2 with the 25 it came 50. And 5 with 1 so it came 5. So
50
then
divided by 5.
5. So 5 ones are 5. Then 5 minus
0 से नहीं जाता तो that 0 will go up, no, in the question.
Yes.
And 5 in table of 5, 50 comes 10 times. That also you should be alert.
So D's answer will be 50.
Yeah, the answer will be 10. In table of 5, 50 comes how many times?
10 times.
तो 1 कैसे लिख सकते हो आप बेटा? डिवाइड करके चेक करो. 5 ones are 5. 0 will come down. If 0 is not going, so we write the 0 at the up. So it is 10. Now I'm going to present you my screen and show you this page number 101. Page number 101 is given this one. Wait. What part of the whole is colored, students, in the first picture?
Ma'am, half part.
So how you are going to write in the fraction? How you are going to write 1 upon 2. In the second picture, how you are going to write? Page number 101. I will only say one time and please be alert everyone. Page number 101. Pictures are there on your textbook and they have shaded some part and asking for the fraction of the shaded part. So what is the fraction of the shaded part, Arth Gujarati, the first picture? How you are going to write it into the fraction?
Ma'am, 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. Next is Pragyan. How you are going to write the fraction for the second picture? Pragyan, how you are going to write the fraction for the second picture? Not answering. Moksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
How you are going to write the fraction for the second picture which is given on page number 101? How many parts are shaded?
2/4.
4/4.
2/4.
Yeah, 2/4 is the correct answer. So we can say that 2/4 and the 1/2 are same, equivalent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Half.
Yes, both are representing the half picture is shaded. Go to the next. Color that part of the shape which is written below. Now, here, first picture, there are total 4 parts. But they are saying color the half part. So, how many parts you will color?
2, ma'am.
Color 2 parts, not 1.
Yes, ma'am. 2 parts.
Because they are confusing you. Let me draw the picture.
Ma'am, somebody said 3 parts.
Which is wrong. How 3 parts, bacha? Half bola hai usne, half of that picture. It is an octagon. Wait, let me see. It's an octagon.
Ma'am, it's an octagon only, 8 sides.
8-sided figure. It's an octagon. This way. So what they did is they did it into the 4 parts. Now they are saying you color it half. Half color आप वैसे समझ लो, half of 4. How many parts are there? 4 parts are there total. उसका half क्या होगा? 2 parts. अभी हमने सीखा कि इसका भी half कैसे निकालेंगे. Then the next picture is in the circle, and then they given you 1 part like this, and they told you 3/4. So out of there are total 4 parts. So join करो, 4 parts बनाओ, 3 parts को color करो. Because जो numerator है, according to the numerator, we are going to color the parts. In the fourth picture, the hexagon. How many parts are you going to color?
1.
3/4 is the fraction. How many parts are you going to color?
Ma'am, 3 parts.
3. Because जो fraction है उसको numerator को देखना है, उतने parts को आपको color करना है. 1/4. The next part is picture is this. And they did 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So total is 4. And the fraction is 1/4. So how many parts you will color? Only 1.
Maybe 1 part.
Same again. There is a rectangle divided into total how many parts? Count the total parts.
And 6 parts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you need to color the half. Or it is
3 parts.
So you are going to color 3 parts. Half of 6 is 3. And next picture is 3 parts out of the 4 parts. पहले तो आप इसके अंदर 4 parts बनाओ. You can make in this way also and color the 3 parts. Next is cut in half. You all have learned the mirror images, students, in the grade 3. Mirror image means the other half is exactly the same. Suppose if I am drawing, this is A. So where I will draw a mirror image, where I am going to draw a line so that it will show the mirror image.
In center.
Center. Ma'am, in center.
This way. Suppose
Yes.
B.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? This.
Ma'am, in the center. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is showing exactly the mirror image. Same way, in this pictures also there is a bird given. So where you will draw this symmetrical line so that it will show you the mirror image we have. Where you are going to draw? Can you present your book and show it to me?
Ma'am, after doing it.
Very good. You can see she has done and she had extended the line so that वो picture dark है ना तो clearly visible भी होगा. So you also please extend the line. Show the next picture we have. And show the third picture also. Everyone, please pin Viha. She has done the symmetrical line in all the three pictures. Viha, little put it up and show it to them. Yes, I can pin. Arav Apani also showing me. Yes, Arav Apani, show me. Arav Apani? Yes. Yes, he has also done. So please do it in the symmetrical line and divide it.
Ma'am, see the bird in between. Ma'am, I have also done.
Wait, Shivani, let me pin you.
Renu, ma'am,
Yes.
I am asking that I have a doubt in the bird. So it is in the between. I have drawn
No,
the
no,
line.
this is wrong. बेटा between से करोगे तो where the face will go? It will be like this slanting. Go to the next page. 102. Color half the number. Question number D. Are you all doing? I hope that everyone is doing in the textbooks.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to color with the pencil or the
Pencil also will be okay. Color the half number of the shapes as shown. First is already given for you because there are total 8 and they color the 4. Half of 8 is 4. Next is count how many circles are there.
18.
18. So what is half of 18?
Ma'am.
Yes, Anush.
9.
Color 9 circles. Any 9 circles. कोई से भी 9 कर दो. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कंटिन्यू में 9 circles का color करो. Any 9 circles you can color because they told you only half of the numbers. Next, go to the flowers. How many flowers are there?
Ma'am, 10. 10.
10. What is Jignesh the half of the 10?
5.
5. So color any 5 circles. Color any 5 circles, students. Now I'm going to the question number E. Now you have to color the 1/4 of the shapes. In the first picture, there are 4. What is the 1/4 of the 4?
1. 1.
1. Color 1 picture, please. Next is there are, how many pictures are there? Leaves. कितने हैं?
8. 8.
What is the 1/4 of 8?
4.
1/4 of 8.
1.
2.
2, ma'am.
2. 2. Color 2 leaves. Then there is a 4 cubes. What is the 1/4 of 4?
1.
1.
Color 1 cube.
Ma'am, in the second one of color 1/4 of this shapes in the second one, what will come?
Count the number of objects. How many leaves are there in the second one?
7.
7 है? Means counting करना भी I will come home and show you.
Sorry, ma'am, 8.
What is the 1/4 of 8? 1/4 of 8 you have learned. 4. 1 into 8 is 8. 4 into 1 is 4. Divide it and you will get the 2.
1 minute.
Mute yourself, please. Come down, match the colored part as shown. First one is done for you. Do the second one. Arav Apani, give me the second one. You will match it with what?
Ma'am,
Second picture is
second.
showing.
1/4.
और spellings भी
And
उसको 1/4. Yeah, very good. Second picture is showing only this much part. One part is no, so it will be 1/4 and 1/4 is also called a quarter.
Yes, ma'am.
Then come to the next picture. Arush Miani will tell me.
Ma'am, 4/4, it is whole.
Yes, 4/4 it is whole because all the parts are colored. And 4/4 means whole. If 5/5 parts are there, 5/5 is whole. Go to the next one. Laksha Dola will tell me the last one. How many parts are colored? What is the fraction of the colored parts?
Ma'am, there are 3 parts color.
So how you are going to write the fraction for the 3 parts colored?
3/4.
Yes, and 3/4 is also called 3/4. 1/4 you have learned, 2/4 is you have learned, right? 2/4 make the half, 3/4 it is. So match it with the 3/4. Children, if I ask how many quarters are there in the one whole? How many quarters in one whole? 4 quarters. Right? You have learned, no? These 4 parts, when you do each part is the 1/4. 2/1/4 makes the half. 3/1/4 make the 3/4, right? And then 3 up, you can say it 3/4 also. And 4/1/4 make the whole, 4/4. And you can say it is how many quarters are there in the whole? 4 quarters are there in the whole. Go to the next picture. 103. Make the other half. This you will do after the class. You have to exactly make the other half of the picture. This is a quarter. Now come next. Half and a quarter of a meter. So children, you know that meter is 1 meter is equals to 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is half of a meter? What is half of a meter? How many
50
centimeters?
50 centimeter. Ma'am, 50 centimeter.
500. Those who are saying they are wrong.
50
Half of 100
Centimeter.
is 50
Ma'am,
centimeter.
50.
1/4 of 100, because they are asking what is the 1/4 of a meter. 1/4 of
25.
100 is 25
Ma'am, it
centimeter.
is 25.
And please write the unit also. If you forgot to write the unit, your answer will be wrong. अगर आप सेंटीमीटर नहीं लिखोगे, only 25 लिखोगे, I will not give you marks. So you have to fill this. The page number 104. Half of a meter is 50 centimeter. 1/4 of a is 25 centimeter. And 3/4 of 100 is how many centimeter?
35.
75. Dhwani, don't guess the answer. Do it practically. Don't guess the answer. And 3/4 means 3 times 1/4. जब आपके पास 8 times 1/4 आ गया, which is 25, 3 times इसको plus भी करोगे, then also your answer will be 75. और मैंने जो method बताया 3/4 of 100, आप इस method से निकालोगे, then also you will get the 75. Think practically. Please improve your mental math, students.
Done.
Next, sharing milk. This is also related with that only. 1,000, 3/4 of 1,000 is what? 1/4 of 1,000 is what? That you do after the class. Come on the page number 105. Balance the weight. Children, can you tell me? One side it's 2 kg. So 2 kg, can you make it into the different way? Suppose I say 2 times 1 kg, 1 kg makes the 2 kg. Right? Can you all say me the different ways? Anyone there? Yes, Dhwani.
Yes, ma'am. 4 times 50 grams.
50 grams. Then it will
500 grams.
हाँ जी बच्चा, एक 0 कम लगा दोगे ना तो आपका पूरा आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, है ना? Think twice and then give the answer. Yes, Shivani, can you try any other way?
Yes, ma'am.
2 kg कैसे बैलेंस करें?
Ma'am, 4 weights of 250.
4 weights of 250. तो 1 kg बनेगा बच्चा.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, Dheer.
8 kg. Ma'am, I can say.
8 times 250 grams makes the 2 kg.
Ma'am, we can do it like this also.
Yes.
1 kg 2 times.
That to I have given you the example, no? Go to the next page, page number 106. Kanan shaded some part as shown, but his friend Minnie says that it is wrong. Why she is saying wrong?
Ma'am, because the first image, the three parts is equal, but the fourth part is not equal.
So they are unequally divided, no?
Yes.
And the second picture also, that is not exactly the half, so it is not divided equally. That is why both the pictures are wrong. Come to the practice time. There we have already learned how to find out 1/4 of any number, 1/3. You can now easily give me the answer, and I want you to please raise the hand for these questions. There are 60 mangoes. Half of them are right. How many mangoes are right? What is half of Mohammed Mohammed? Half of 60.
30, ma'am.
So you will say 30 mangoes are right. So you need to find, these are the word problems. You need to write the statement also in this.
Ma'am, he said 30, ma'am.
Now next is Dheer. There are 32 children, right?
Ma'am,
Half
this
of the
we
children
have
are
to
girls.
notebook.
Yes?
This we have to write in notebook.
Yes, this you after the class solve it in the notebook.
Ma'am, yes.
And today I am going to give you the revision Google form. Do it. I am going to check it manually. There are 32 children. Half of them are girls. How many children are boys?
Ma'am, 16 are boys. 16 are girls.
16.
16.
Ma'am, 16, ma'am. 16
Yes,
girls and
yes.
16 boys.
Yes. So you will say 16 are the boys. There are 20 stars. A quarter of them are red. What is the quarter, Moin Kuledi? Quarter of 20? Quarter of 20.
120. 1 upon 20.
1 upon 20. Quarter of 20. 20 ka 1/4.
Ma'am, 4.
No.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, 15. 5.
5. 20 का 1/4 निकालना है आपको. 20 का क्वार्टर निकालना है. So it will be 5.
Ma'am, what
And
you said?
how many stars are red? You will say 5. And if I say how
5.
many stars are not red?
15.
15.
15.
Ma'am,
Yes. Can I go to the next question? Ravi wants a pencil. Okay. It costs ₹2. अब उसको एक पेंसिल लेनी थी. पेंसिल की कॉस्ट है ₹2.
excuse me, ma'am, what are you doing? Because of network issue, I left the meet.
We were discussing the practice time questions. He gives ₹1 coin, 1/2 rupee coin. एक ₹1 coin दिया, ₹1/2 coin means 50 पैसा दिया, and 1/4 rupee coin. What is ₹4 coin means? कितने पैसे हुए in the quarter?
25 paisa.
25 पैसा. So he gave ₹1 coin, ₹50 coin, ₹25 coin. Is it matched with the two rupees?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, because 1 plus 50, ₹1 plus 50 paisa is 1.50 paisa, plus 25 paisa is, because 2 rupees makes the 200 paisa. So how many paisa she has to add more to make 2 rupees?
25.
25.
Yes, 25 paisa he has to add more to make the.
Ma'am, 24. Ma'am, 24.
कैसे बच्चा दी 24? 1.50 plus 150, 25 paisa is 175. So only 25 will be added.
Ma'am, can you repeat the same thing because in my you were getting stuck and then coming.
See, suppose you want to buy a pencil which is 2 rupees. Okay, here there is a Ravi wants to buy a pencil. The cost is 2 rupees and he gave 1 rupee. He gave 50 paisa. He gave ₹1/2 coin. ₹1/2 coin मतलब क्या होता है? कितने पैसा होता है? Half of 1 rupee is 50 paisa.
50 paisa.
Quarter of 1 rupee. Quarter means 100 paisa का quarter. 25 paisa.
25 paisa.
Okay, that is the reason we have learned what is the half of any number, what is the quarter. So easily you can easily find out. So it will be 1 rupee 75 paisa. So she needs to add 25 paisa more to make 2 rupees. My dear, then this is a problem from your side. If the class has ended, ask in the next class. Tuesday, tomorrow is your CT of this chapter. I will put in the classroom. Practice, I'm going to give you the revision worksheet also. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, please stay.